Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw FNF boyfriend character using basic shapes like how professional designers draw in studio. Without wasting time, let's get started. Step 1. Sketching. Using pencils, start to draw a circle very lightly. Then draw two curves and join them. Now for the speakers, draw a circle and a cone. For the gun, draw a cube and also another cube for the handle. Now for the head, draw a reference curve as shown. Draw oval below the circle. Add the hairlines. Divide the lower shape into 1/3 and that becomes the t-shirt. Now give the details for the trousers. Draw the shoe first, try to block the main shapes. Now give the details for the hand. Next, add up the details for the gun and also the hand holding it. Give hairstyle to him. Draw the eyebrows, nose, and also the mouth. Now start adding small details to the drawing. Better to avoid markers first. If at all a mistake happens, it will be difficult to erase. So start with pencil and give all the details. Now use the eraser to clear all the shapes and curves which were used for the reference. Step 2. Outline. Now you can use a marker or paint to outline it. Here I am using paint to outline the drawing, and you can color how you like to. To learn how to draw basic shapes and curves, check out my playlist in the description below. Let me know in the comment which character you could like to learn for the next video. If you like this video, please do like and share, and don't miss to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Bye.